No previous knowledge is required for this tutorial. There are 11 types of summoning in Yu-Gi-Oh! Normal summoning, setting, flip summoning, tribute summoning, ritual summoning, pendulum summoning, fusion summoning, XYZ summoning, synchro summoning, link summoning, and special summoning. I will be explaining how each of these work. Let's get to some base knowledge first. A monster can be in attack or defense mode. The amount of attack and defense is shown as a card, as ATK, attack, and DEF, defense. Defense mode monsters may not attack. Attack mode monsters can attack, but if destroyed, life points equal to the difference of the attack are dealt to the attacked player. If a defense position monster is attacked, no life points are taken. Normal summoning. You can normal summon one level 4 or under monster from your hand. Only one normal summon can be performed per turn. If a monster is normal summoned, you cannot tribute the same turn. Setting. Same rules as normal summoning, except the monster is placed face down and horizontally, signifying that it is in defense mode. Flip summoning. Can be done to flip a set monster you control to face-up attack position. Ritual summoning. When a ritual spell is activated, you can tribute multiple monsters so that their combined stars are equal to such monster and summon it. Subscriber summoning. Okay, this one isn't real, but please consider it. Pendulum summoning. A monster whose archetype is pendulum can be put on the outer spell/trap card zones. They're called pendulum zones. The monster then acts like a continuous spell card. XYZ summoning. XYZ monsters have a rank. They can be summoned by putting at least 2 XYZ monsters of the same amount of stars as the rank of the card that are listed in the XYZ materials. Then the monsters that would normally be tributed are put underneath the cards in a stack. Those are materials. An XYZ monster is destroyed if all of its materials are gone. Synchro Summoning. You can summon a Synchro monster by tributing a monster with the archetype tuner and a non-tuner monsters whose levels add up to the tuner's levels. Link Summoning. Link Summoning requires you to tribute a specified amount of cards at the bottom, signified by a link. Any monster of any level can be used. Special Summoning. How a special summon works depends on the card's effect. Special Summoning is activated by any card's effect, whether that be a spell or a monster card. Hope you held through. Those last ones were really complex. Also, please consider subscribing. It helps a ton. See all of you next time. I gotta special summon some more subscribers.